Ritam Bhagat and first year CSE. Now we're going to solve question 2 of math in SEM. The question is we have to actually figure out the value of the constant for which this equation is an ODE. Now an ODE is of the form mxy dx plus n xy. The first order ODE dy is equal to 0. This is an exact ODE. It can be written in the form of a differential du is equal to del u by del x dx plus del u by del y dy. Now we can have implicit solutions of like for u x y we can have certain implicit solutions like u x y is equal to c, that is when du is equal to 0. So basically this is implicit solution. Other explicit solution is then when we can calculate y is equal to some function of h of x. This is an explicit solution. So by comparing this is 1 and this is 2. So by comparing 1 and 2, what we get is du by dx is equal to m and du by dy is equal to n. So basically if we have del m by del y is equal to del n by del x, then we can say that this is an ODE. Why? Because why we can actually prove this from third equation. If there exists a u x y, then we can by del m by del y is equal to del del square u by del y del x, and del n by del y is equal to del square u. Oh, sorry. So, okay, my bad. M is del u by del x, and this is del u by del y. Del n del square u del y by del x. So if we have if uxy exists, only then these two conditions would be true. Only then these, if uxy exists, then only these conditions will be true. Hence only then can an ODE actually exist. So let me go to next page and actually solve this. So the equation we had was ax, wait, let me see if it's visible. Yeah, it's visible. So the equation that we had was ax plus by plus kx plus ly dy by dx is equal to 0. Multiplying by dx we get ax plus by dx plus kx plus ly dy is equal to 0. From this we get this is m and this is n. So by calculating del m by del y, pardon me, there has been an error. It is actually del m by del y and it is actually x. Yes, now it makes sense. It's del m by del y, it is del n by del x. Okay, so coming back, del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. So by calculating del n by del y we get b, by calculating del n by del x we get k. So it is an ODE only if it's an exact ODE only if b is equal to k. Now our second part is solve the ODE. So for that we can actually consider it to be from equation from this equation we can actually calculate the solution of the ODE. So how are we going to calculate it? We can write it as u is equal to integration of m dx plus a function of k y. So u, because it is u x y, so we need a function of y. So putting the value of m here, uh, which is ax plus by dx plus ky. Now integrating it, we have a we have ax square by 2 by divided by 2 plus bxy plus ky. Now we know that from this equation we know that del u by del y is actually equal to n. From equation 3 we know that del u by del y is actually equal to n. So we will try to do that here. So integrating it with respect to y, del u by del y, we get this whole term actually goes down, like del u by del y this side actually turns out to be this term goes down, so we have by plus k dash y, which is equal to n. So by plus k dash y is equal to kx plus ly. Now for this to be an exact ODE, we knew that b is equal to k. b is equal to k for it to be an exact ODE. So wait, it should be bx here because we are differentiating to y, so we would have x here. It should be bx here. So after we have bx, so we can cancel out bx and kx. So here we had k dash y is equal to ly, or ky. After integrating we can figure out it's ly square by 2 plus c. Substituting this value, putting 5 in 4, we get u is equal to ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 plus c. So this is a solution of the ODE and the answer to our second part. uh, that's it for this video. My name is Rindu Bhagat. Thank you.